My mom came home from work and the couch cover was blown off. This part was blown over earlier. Anyways, we have like 50-mile wind gusts. It's crazy. Mama, did you do it?
Do you want to put those down?
Who cares? Stands are fine. It's the one that was on the table. So I can't see anything, but this wind is crazy. You got it?
Yeah, I think maybe we should just take this one off the stand.
Mama, it's fine.
Breakable.
Boy, I think it's fine.
What happened
To the what?
where the yellow one?
Oh, yeah, not yet. This wind is so crazy. It had like gusts up to 50. Like, I went in the garage and the garage was like, do. Yeah, I'm so glad it's not good. This is so freaking crazy. Oh my god! So when you get on Sunday. I saw a trash can down. Don't want to show the address, but well, these things have been battered by this wind. This is what we've been doing all day. Tomorrow's gonna come like 20-mile winds and we'll be at the base. Leave it. Skipping across. Look at leafy backyard now. And then the next day, it's gonna be crazy like this again. And it's gonna be Halloween. We're doing a day in life vlog there. Let's go inside. It's like drizzling. That's from the old man. So I can't see much, but I can see the little gap in between the trees right there. It's nighttime now and you guys can't see a whole lot. So I'm gonna try to stay lit on the lit side. Yeah, the stakes are all falling on over. Why don't we just do this? Yeah, the big one. We had like a big one. It's like a pinwheel. Oh yeah. Ooh. Gotta be careful. Well, not with the end anyways. Mom is not being snow. All these damn stakes out everywhere. What's all the nice kids? Gosh, though. Look at this umbrella there. Oh wait, we didn't really eat outside at all on this patio at all this year. Actually, we didn't even eat outside really. Oh, there's a big one that was trying to blow over. Let me turn unless you guys can see it. So it's originally right over against back that fence, so you might have seen a few videos, but yeah. if you knew it was like that expensive. It was literally the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I mean, it's not raining, it's just drizzling. It was windy. You know, like 3 days of wind. Mostly Sunday for the cold front. That's gonna sweep through and it's gonna be like 40 degrees next week. So I said, gotta get outside this weekend or else you're gonna regret it forever. School teachers, yeah. So you better get outside this weekend, you're gonna regret it. But with us, yeah, pink clothes. This is our type of lilies. Please tell me, baby, I did get like a few videos at school. It is really drizzling. Oh, it's like rain, but what it calls it a drizzle. I'm not gonna say because it's inside and that's it. We're gonna piece it out there. I've dropped some leaves down here. I gathered them today, but I enjoyed pressing them, so I just let the wind go take them home and away. I'm pretty sure the little packets of leaves I threw one of them. And I'll do 2 of them. This needs a lot of bacon. Yeah, I'll find them in the morning. We'll see. Sometimes the pumpkin didn't fall off. The other stuff did. Like, that pile was flew off the table. Mama, do you like the crazy wind? No. You know it's gonna be windy like tomorrow, but like 20-mile-an-hour winds, gust. And then the next day, it's gonna be the windy like today all over again. Because that's gonna be the cold front coming in for 40-degree weather next week. Hello, Watson. It might even snow during the day.
Who's going to take care of me?
I won't get home like 9:30. Mama, you gotta wake up at like 6:30 tomorrow morning.
Why?
Because I leave at 7:30.
Oh, yeah.
Nice and early, sweetheart. Yeah,
Did you get her ready?
yeah, I already done right before. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Should be all your friends. I think you can comment now because we're now inside the house, so the comments are definitely turned off. So yeah, I don't know. Like, share, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, Storm 951 and CV_1, and follow me on Instagram, Jake Abdicar. So yeah, peace. I don't even know how this camera angle is, but I'm trying. And stay tuned for Sunday day in life video. Probably won't be out on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because it'll be a vlog, but it'll be detailed and all that stuff. So yeah, peace out. Woo!